Coinblock is a free crypto faucet that I've been using for a little over a couple months now, and I had an important update that I wanted to share with you. So on the top right, click the little three lines and you'll go to News. And you can see the important update that just came out recently is a mandatory KYC verification. So I'm going to click Read Full Story. So I'll just give this a quick read for you guys. As we continue to grow towards a Phase 2 launch and expand as a global mining ecosystem, we must make some important decisions to ensure the long-term stability and fairness of a platform for every legitimate miner. To maintain a healthy economy, we are officially introducing a mandatory KYC identity verification for all accounts. Why this is happening is, unfortunately, we have seen a massive surge in multi-accounts, users creating dozens of fake profiles to exploit bonus systems. While our security team is blocking thousands of these accounts, every week they continue to reappear, draining resources that should be going to you, our real loyal community. And as far as what this means for us is identity verification is now required to withdraw funds from the platform. This ensures that every withdrawal goes to a real person, protecting our mining pool and rewards from exploiters. By verifying your account, you can also gain a higher level of personal security and protection against unauthorized access. But accounts that have topped up at least 3 USD can withdraw without a KYC. And I'm going to show you the KYC tutorial now, so that pretty much covers it. And as far as the KYC tutorial, on the bottom right, you're going to click More and then Settings. You're going to scroll down and you'll see where it says Identity Verification. You're going to click Start Verification. And you're going to put in all of this personal information. And it's a pretty normal KYC identification. You do the front and back of identification. It was my driver's license. And then you take a selfie. And when all of that is done, it'll say success. You're going to click back to return the profile. And at that point, you can see that my identity verification was pending. And then today, as of the making of this video, I am officially approved for my KYC. It did take overnight, but it really wasn't that big of a hassle, and I should be good to go at this point. Now, one thing to point out is this is the third app that's been out like this. There was HashUp, which went away, FastHash, which went away really quickly, and now Coinblock with this free faucet and you can invest. That's why I'm just saying go with the faucet. It's free, risk-free. And when the other platforms have gone with this KYC thing, apparently a lot of people just don't do it, and it ends up being the beginning of the end. But again, like I say, if you can pass the KYC and just run with the free faucet, it should be risk-free. One quick thing I wanted to show you, if you wanted to get some quick hash rate, say you've been mining for a while with your faucet and want to increase your hash, go to Wallet, and if you scroll down, you'll see I have a little bit of USDC. So if you click the little like recycle kind of button, like that, let's scroll that to the right, I will get 119 hash. Click confirm exchange, and that's how you reinvest it. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's do our faucet also. I have it available. So click claim bonus, click I am human, probably have us do a little captcha, and there it is, another 5 bonus hash. So let's exit out of that. And let's just scroll down a bit. So 124 hash available. I am mining Toncoin, so let's slide that all the way to the right. So there it is. I now have 3,777 hash. Pretty nice. So I have 1.5 ton accumulated. So let's do a withdrawal to a Coinbase wallet. So heading into our wallet tab, we're going to scroll down and you'll see where it says Toncoin. Let's click withdrawal. We're going to scroll down again, and then we're going to head to our Coinbase wallet. So in the Toncoin, we're going to hit transfer, receive crypto, and we're going to copy our address. Come back to Coinblock, paste our address, and click withdrawal. I think you have to scroll down a little bit. Confirm withdrawal, and there's our withdrawal request created. And less than a minute later, you can see 1.87 ton directly to my Coinbase wallet. In my last Coinblock video, I did a top 10 list of the best coins to mine. And now that I just withdrew Toncoin, I think I'm going to go with XRP. So let's scroll down and do that slider all the way to the left, put that to 0. And then we're going to find Ripple. So just scroll down a little bit. There it is. Scroll that to the right. And it's as easy as that. So $3 isn't a huge risk if you want to avoid the KYC. But like I said before, these websites do tend to fold over time. But if you can pass the KYC, the faucet is quick and easy and will pay out over time with no risk. And if there are any other major changes to Coinblock, I'll let you know as soon as possible. But remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and please just do not invest more than you could afford to lose. And as I've said multiple times, if you just stick with the faucet, it's completely risk-free. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my Coinblock referral that you see in the description. It's also on the screen you can see here. You get a free 5 hash per second miner, and it helps get these videos out faster and is greatly appreciated. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And I do have memberships available for 99 cents a month. You'll get these videos out earlier. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos are as unbiased as possible. And when you do buy a membership, it directly supports the channel and is greatly, greatly appreciated. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.